Hello, I'm going to show you how to easily activate your Wise card with simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to log in with your right credentials into Wise. In the left menu, select cards. Select order a new card. After that, either select digital or physical. Once you do that, select order your digital card. You'll be redirected to this page where you need to verify your identity. So you need to take photos of your ID documents and your face. Make sure to select either of these ones, which is scan a QR code or send a link by email and follow up with the process. Now once you do that, you'll be prompted with how would you like to pay. Make sure to choose one of these above. If you don't have any bank transfer balance, make sure to select debit or credit card and then select continue to payment. After that, make sure to fill in these fields with the right information of your card and select pay this amount. Now once you complete all the steps, you will find the card information right here. Just wait for a couple of moments and you'll be fine to use it whenever you want. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.